Hello guys, welcome back. So today is 19th January 2026 and today is the first day of a trading week, which is Monday. And this chart you're seeing on my 85 is the chart of BTC USD and Ethereum USD, right? As you can see. So today, unfortunately, I will not be taking any trade, right? I will not be taking trade today because of the nature of the market. You know what has been happening in the issue of the US and Europe, right? The tariff and the trade war and the rest. So I will not be taking trade. Apart from that, even though there's tariff or trade war and there's a trade, I will take the trade, right? So I will not be taking any trade today. Reason being that there is no trade, right? It's as simple as that. So there is no trade today. There's no statistical arbitrage trade or opportunity today. So I will not be taking trade. Now, one of the things I told myself that I would do is not to try to force any trade this year, right? Yes, you might ask me if I've been trying to force a trade um to show you. Yes, I've been trying to. There are sometimes I will. There was a month which I said I was going to um trade every day just to show you that this thing works. Then I will even go to a smaller time frame, like 1 minute, sometimes 1 minute, sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes, just to pick a trade and be able to close um the trade, just to show you that and prove to you that this thing works. But there's nothing there, right? I'm not going to do that this year. So there are lots and countless number of trades I've taken on this channel, and all trades I've closed them a profit. So that is a reasonable proof to you that what I do here works and this approach works. So I will not be taking or forcing any trade just to prove to you that it works. So having said that, I just want to tell you one of my secrets which I use, one of my mindsets which I use, because mindset is part of a strategy, right? If you think that it is just the chart, if you think that it is just the candlesticks or the line chart, you are lying to yourself, right? Mindset is part of it, right? Psychology is part of it. You have heard about psychology many times. Some people have not even taken it seriously, right? Some just none of them that trading is beyond the chart, right? But I keep telling you on this channel that what I do here is beyond the chart, is beyond what you see, right? It's beyond divergence, it's beyond convergence, is even beyond knowing the right pair to trade, right? So what I want to tell you guys is um, about discipline, right? You've heard it many times, right? Discipline is the most important thing. In fact, discipline beats intelligence, right? Discipline beats intelligence. There are some person listening to me. They are knowledgeable. They can just close eyes and tell you where the market is going, and the market is going will go there eventually. But then if they have an account and they trade that particular trade, they are going to lose the money. That is the day that the market is going to go in reverse, right? So discipline beats intelligence. It is more than intelligent. It's more than what you know, right? If you're a disciplined trader, you are you are going to be profitable, right? You are going to be profitable. So it's a simple system that you follow consistently and perform a smart way, right? A smart way of trading or a smart strategy broken by your emotion. So emotion, greed, and every other factors are part of uh, the mindset that you are going to conquer. Yeah, you are going to counter them. But with discipline, a disciplined trader is a profitable trader. A disciplined trader controls himself, knows himself, right? So if you don't know yourself, the market will review. Market is a revealer. The market you, reveals you, your real you to you, right? Market reveals your real you to you. So discipline, right? How to be disciplined. Mm. And there are a lot of ways you can be disciplined, right? And the simple way of being disciplined, you don't have to be. There's no particular discipline in trading that is outside discipline in outside life, right? So in your daily activities, you can cultivate the habit of being disciplined. For example, you want to, let's say, you want to eat, and you have over you have you say you will not eat a particular type of food at night, or you will not eat a particular type of food in excess, and this particular night you're over excited, or maybe your birthday, and you take that food in excess. Now that is not discipline, right? So that is not discipline. So if you are disciplined, even when you are celebrating your if you are not disciplined when you are celebrating your birthday, when it's time to trade, right? Something of that nature might happen, and you will fall into that victim, and that day is the day that you will blow your account. Trust me, you are not going to lose just small money. You are going to pay daily. The market doesn't pamper you and say no. The market will take your money and you will cry for it. So a discipline is cultivated, right, on a daily basis, right, on the way you eat, the way you uh, when you wake up in the morning. What is the first thing that you do? You pray, you read your Bible. If you're a Christian, you the way you talk, just it's cultivated over time. It's not that it's something that you just develop at once. So you cultivate discipline over time, like with time, right? So you cannot be disciplined in trading and not disciplined outside, right? You cannot be disciplined when you are trading, or because you're a trader, you want to say, okay, I want to be a disciplined trader. But outside trading, you are not disciplined. So it doesn't work that way. So you right. So I talked about that this strategy is not for lazy people, right? So if you're lazy, this strategy is not for you, because it requires a lot of discipline. I talked about it many times. It requires a lot of discipline. So that is it, right? This video is already long. I don't want it to be longer than this. So if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and let's push this channel to 1K, right? We are still on 200 for a very long time. So let's push this channel to 1K. Alright, so please do subscribe. So sharing with you some of the mindsets that I do implement whenever I take my trades. So do it to subscribe, and see you later.